So, you probably know all the things to do on campus, but what about off campus? Well, within a 20-minute drive, there are all sorts of great things you can do in the Great Lakes Bay region. The closest is Saginaw, where you can grab a group of your friends and head to Kokomo's. With mini golf, games, and a driving range, you can cool down on the bumper boats, race your friends on the go-kart track, and even take a spin in their very own roller coaster, the Serpent. A little further down the road is Stardust Lanes. In addition to bowling, you can lose yourself in their arcade with video games, skee-ball, and prize games. Hop on the bumper cars or try your hand at mini bowling. If food is more your thing, then head downtown to the SVRC Marketplace. Load up on fresh fruits and veggies grown by area farmers, or get your hands on some handmade soaps. Inside, you can find all sorts of food, from cookies and pies to sushi and sandwiches. A short drive north will take you to Bay City, known for its vibrant riverside. Recreation activities like tennis along JFK Drive and mini golf at Buoy 18 can be found in Betts Park. Bay City hosts several festivals throughout the year. At the end of September, the River of Time celebrates American history with reenactors spanning from the Revolutionary War to the Vietnam era. Or, cross the Saginaw River and head downtown. Ride along the city streets in the area's only pedal trolley. If you like movies and music, do not miss the Hell's Half Mile Film and Music Festival each fall. Screenings of independent films from all over the world and top-notch indie music will surely fill a great weekend of entertainment. Light up the night with the 3rd Street Star Bridge. Several times a year, you can find street parties and other events under lights that span each side of the street. Once you've explored what Bay City and Saginaw have to offer, head west to the city of Midland. Downtown, you can find food trucks at the Larkin Beer Garden. Have a taco. Enjoy some music and yard games. And meet the locals. A new and exciting addition to Midland is the largest canopy walk in the United States at Whiting Forest. At 1,400 feet long, take a walk amongst the trees. Hang out on the cargo net while looking up at nature. And, if you're brave enough, walk out over the glass bottom overlook suspended 40 feet above the ground. A perfect outdoor excursion to spend with your friends. Seriously, that's just a sampling of some of the best things to do around SVSU. With so much to do around here, there's no excuse to be bored. So get out there and explore.